nice and easy. Not hard, just gazing across. Now I want you to turn to the left, so just paddle with your right hand. Right hand. Again. Again. There you go.
Get it in the water. Get your paddle in the water.
You're doing fine. You're doing fine. You're doing fine. Don't worry about it. I'm coming. I'm coming. Oh, you're going two different directions now. Okay, I'm gonna back you out, okay? The first time in the gators.
I agree with you.
Okay, now so if you want to turn to the left, you're just gonna paddle with the right. Pretend like it's one paddle.
But she's got to get her paddle into the water. Her paddle wasn't in the water.
The paddle in the water enough.
Then she'll be good.
All right, go.
Okay, show him you got this, Bonita.
Just left, right, left, right.
There she goes. Look at her go.
That's it. Now
Look at her go.
right. Left, right. Left, right.
I'm going too fast.
Stop.
You know you get hurt? Okay. What if we crash?
What if we crash?